Katie, you're bringing in Christmas dog cookies. Good girl. Everyone knows we're going to the Katie cave. Hi, Jack. Hi, Sid. Good girl. You'd like to carry stuff in and bring in your groceries. Can you bring in your snacks? Can you open it? Kind of tough to open when you only got teeth. And you also have manners, because you're a good girl. Katie. All right. And here we have the pretty Christmas ornaments and the Christmas tree. It's so festive at Casabella. Now we're going to go back and see if Katie can help herself to a milk bone. Or we'll just call them Christmas cookies for now. Katie's pretty good at unwrapping her presents. Yep. Keep unwrapping, honey. Good girl. Come on. Want me to help you? Here we go. Let's see what we got here. There. Let's see if we can do it now. Almost there, Kate. You almost have one out. There you go. Success! Nothing quite like a do-it-yourself snack. They always taste better that way. Oh, happy crunching, Katie. You're a good girl.